Dear students, today I will talk about vermicompost. Vermicompost is decomposition of biodegradable organic waste material by microorganisms under optimum conditions. This leads to stabilize brown black material rich in plant nutrient. In vermicompost, earthworms are used to prepare compost of better quality. Microorganism and earthworm used for vermicompost. There are many microorganisms used for vermicompost. These are Pseudomonas, Aspergillus havamori, Penicillium, Trichoderma, Streptomyces. These are these have been developed by isolating these microorganisms under laboratory conditions and seeing their organic material decomposing capabilities. So these are being marketed as biofertilizers by many agricultural research institutes, agriculture university, and many private companies. So we must purchase these biofertilizers from an authentic source before using it for vermicompost. Similarly, common earthworms are used for vermicompost are Eugenia foetida and Eudrilus eugenii. Earthworms eat waste material and produce good quality vermicompost as their excreta. Organic material used for vermicompost are agri waste materials, animal waste material, urban waste material, kitchen waste, food processing waste, sugar industry waste, dairy waste, agro-industrial waste. So these are all suitable biodegradable waste for vermicompost. Other component of vermicompost are earthworms, microorganisms, aeration, and waters. Methods of composting, there are two methods of composting, heap method and pit methods. Suitable size of the pit is 10 into 1 into 0.3 meters. So it can vary depending upon the amount of organic material available to you in your field. So we can prepare compost by heap method or pit methods. Organic material are chopped into small pieces and then these are layered either in pit or in heap, and each layer consists of 5 to 7 centimeters. Then we also add about 30% cow dung to chopped organic material, and water is sprinkled periodically on this chopped organic materials after every 8 to 10 days. And this water is maintained at 50 to 60% during the composting period. Earthworms are added at the rate of 2 to 2.5 kg per pit or per heap, and turning of the composting material is done regularly at 15 days, 30 days, and 60 days. This leads to better aeration and accelerate the process of decomposition of organic material. The pit is covered and heat or pit is covered with soil or wheat or paddy straw or any other agricultural waste material. Sometimes we add effective microbial cultures of organic decomposing uh, materials. Composting normally takes about 3 to 4 months to complete. However, with effective cultures of organic matter decomposing organisms, takes 3 to 4 months to complete. So sometimes this microbial inoculum is added in the form of some amount of ready vermicompost. Nutritional value and benefit of compost. Ready vermicompost is a rich source of plant nutrient and organic carbon, microbial decomposition of cellulose, hemicellulose, protein and fats, recycle most of the macro and micronutrient and make it available to the plant. Addition of vermicompost at 5 to 10 ton per hectare to crops improves chemical, biological and physical properties of soil, and this leads to higher plant growth and productivity of crop. Vermicompost helps in disposing of biodegradable waste and helps in soil fertility. And this also reduces the addition of chemical fertilizers to some extent. Regular use of vermicompost in our soils leads to sustainability of crop on long-term basis. So friends, we must prepare our own vermicompost in our field by selecting suitable organic waste material available in our field, in our kitchen, and at nearby places. And then it should be converted to vermicompost within 2 to 3 months by making use of all these leads which I have given to you in my presentation. Thank you very much.